pour in here, but I can't see how they could possibly correspond because the distance between these is the same, and I'm reading this as being a much larger diameter than this is. So it's kind of a weird sort of miss. That doesn't make sense to me. This, like I said, this relationship is undeniable, so that's either to spread around the coffee. I guess that's what I think it's for, the actual coffee grounds. So, somehow, you determine the appropriate mix of coffee to water, that ratio, so I guess what you do is you put the coffee in first, and the grounds in first, and then, okay, so if it's 1 cup, then I do 1 scoop and put in that much coffee, and then I put water in until it comes up to the center of the 1 mark there, and then I put this in and I plunge it through. If I want 3, then I go 3 scoops of the coffee in first, dry coffee, and then I pour in the hot boiling water up to the center of the 3 mark, and then I put the plunger in and I plunge it through. And I think that's how it's used.
Okay.
Am I close? Do you know? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
No, you are. Yes.
Okay.
Awesome, Matt.
And I use a pretty generous amount of cream in the coffee.
Maybe you can use that too.
I don't even ever mix it up.
You don't?
And actually, what I do is I put the cream or the milk in first, and then I pour coffee on it so that it mixes. And I think in some weird way, again relating to motorcycles and cars, I have a 2-stroke motorcycle that I've had forever, and a Vespa scooter that you put the 2-stroke oil in, and then you pour the gasoline from the pump in on top of that, and in doing that it mixes it. So I always just put the cream in first, and then put the coffee.
I always do that
Cuts
too.
out a step.
Always,
yeah.
yes.
So if you had a motorcycle, you do the same thing then.
Well, probably, but I do it more because I always think about how few steps I can do to get something done. That's just how my mind thinks. Yeah. Okay, so you added the cream, and how's that?
It's good. This is in my range of